You can now get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and even 100,000 plus views on your videos without recording a video. Yes, all you need is just a prompt. It's a new feature smart creators are using to blow up right now on YouTube. I have been testing this feature quietly for some time now, and look at this. I got over 117,000 views on one video using this feature. Now, the interesting thing is that this feature is right now in your YouTube app. You didn't know about it, you've not been using it. Have a look at this. I got over 29,800, almost 30,000 views using this feature on a brand new YouTube channel and 19,000 plus engagement. My goodness, I created a brand new YouTube channel to test it and see if it works. Guys, it works. Now look at my result. This video has over 100 and something thousand views. Look at this. Can you see the number of subscribers the channel has? A brand new YouTube channel, and all I do here is to use this feature I'm about to show you to create a video in split of seconds. Now here's where it gets more interesting. This is monetizable. So in this video, I'm going to show you this feature that creators are using to blow up, getting hundreds of thousands of views on their videos. As you can see from one of my Faceless channels, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Now, most importantly, I'm going to share 3 powerful secrets nobody tells you about this feature. Now, this secret is going to help you get more views, get subscribers, and even monetize your video. One of the hacks is so powerful that it will guarantee you monetize your video the moment you hit the monetization threshold. So you don't want to miss that part. So this is the channel where I've been practicing it, and as you can see, it's over 2,000 subscribers without me recording a single video on this channel. This feature is sitting right now in your YouTube app. Yes, every creator that has a YouTube app has access to it. And like I said, content you create with these features, the moment you apply the hack I'm about to show you, you monetize it. Now, here's where it gets more interesting. You can actually use this feature on your phone. As a matter of fact, I have been using it with my smartphone. So I'm going to share my screen, show you exactly how to do it. So whether you want to start a brand new YouTube channel or you want to boost your current channel, you want more views and subscribers, this feature will work for you. So let's go on and I show you exactly how to use it. And don't forget, I'm sharing these 3 hacks at the end of the video. You don't want to miss that one. So let's get into it. What you need to do is to click on this plus button here, this one, and it's going to bring you to this page. This is the magic button we are talking about. Then it opens to this. These are viral videos that are currently doing well that people created using the same feature. But then this is not what you're looking at. If you scroll up right now, you are going to see the options. The first one says create video. So you're going to touch it. So on it is going to bring you to this place. So you see options YouTube already generated for you to create or recreate. What I normally do is to have my own prompt. I already written it, come over here and paste it here and use it to create a video. But to make this video short, I don't want it to be long. I'm going to select one of the options here. So I'm going to click on this one that says hamster, okay, and you click on this arrow to send it. Now it starts processing. It has to hit 100% before it gives you the video. So you're going to give it time to load to 100%. This is beautiful, right? And very entertaining. I actually like it. Now wait for a moment and I'm going to show you how to make this particular content very unique, long and also monetizable. Once you like what you're seeing, the next thing is to click on next. If you also want to edit it, you can always touch this button that says edit. So you can remove some things, cut a part of the video that you don't like, or even add music or text. You can also add a voiceover, as you can see from the bottom here. So once you're done with what you have here, you click on this arrow button here so you can go on to upload the video. You see, you don't have to stress yourself. Just go on and add the title of the video. Go on and put other details like show more. You see other details that you can add to this. Now you can also use it to promote your old videos by clicking on this button here that says related video. These details, you click on upload, the video is ready. The next option is make me move, and this is the one I love so much. So touch it. It's gonna bring you to this place. You see different movements and you select the one that works best for you. Say for example, you want to work with this. I'm going to select this and it says upload one full body photo. Click on this plus button. So it's going to take you to your phone gallery. Now it says you should select a full image. So I'm going to select just this picture of me because it's a full image, and I'm going to click on this. So I go on to create a video of me sliding and gliding like this. Guys, is magical. Now you're going to give it time again to load up to 100%. Can you see what we have here, guys? Can you see what we have here? This is amazing, right? I'm very creative at that. So once you are okay, so once you love what you see, the next thing is to click on done and go on to process the video. Now go on and add text, effect, and other things. Okay, click on next. If you want to edit it, maybe you want to cut a part of the video that you don't like, you're going to come over here and do that. Okay, so all I need to do is to come over here, the part that I don't really like, I'm going to come over here, click on split and cut it out. I don't like this place where I was off the beat. So the video plays this way. And this part where I can see that is perfect, right? This is beautiful, guys. So the next thing I need to do is to go on and click on this arrow here. Okay, and then I'm going to go on to upload the video. That's beautiful. Add title, add description, and other details. You click on upload short. But that's not all. Let me show you. So the next one is to convert photo to video. Click on it and it's going to bring you to your phone gallery. Go on and then it's going to go on to generate the options for you. Select the one. Okay. Once it's generated, select one of the options. Note that there are times it may tell you that it cannot generate this. Just move on to the next option. So I'm going to click on the first option and touch this arrow to generate. You need to give it time to process to 100%.
Because they are great at weathering the pressure and just keep standing tall no matter how hard it pours.
You all, can you see this? It's actually merging the second video with merging the first video with the second one.
Why do trees always seem so calm during a storm? Wow. Because they are great at weathering the pressure and just keep standing tall no matter how hard it pours.
You can see this. So we're able to combine these two videos. So go on and put the details. The interesting thing is, even as a lazy creator, you are going to use it to blow up your channel because you don't need to do anything. All you need is to click a button, copy, paste, click, and the video is ready. Now, this is where it gets more interesting. Videos that are created using this feature are going viral right now. To the hacks I promised you, the 3 hacks that guarantees you get more views and subscribers and also monetize your content. The first one is when you are done creating the video, don't just upload it. Download the video and add extra more video. Do you understand? Not just this clip, because usually it's not that lengthy, but if you're able to download the first one, create the second one, merge everything together, it becomes a long video. Not only will it help you get a little longer video, but it will also make sure that your video is not considered inauthentic or repetitive content or, commonly created content, because anybody can actually use this particular prompt to create video. But if you're able to get to 3 and then you use your editing app to merge them together, it becomes 3 in 1, like one long video. Your video is unique and is monetizable. Now, during the upload process, it's very important you don't just put random name, because people are going to be using those random names. Go on and give it real name, well optimized title and description. This way it will help you stand out even as many other people are using it, because the truth is a lot of people are going to start using it after watching this video. The next one is your thumbnail. Remember, you can actually choose a thumbnail for a YouTube short video. The secret to getting a lot of views on your short video is the thumbnail. Don't let anybody deceive you. So this is how to add thumbnail. Once you get to this stage, all you need to do is to use this and slide here. You can see as I'm moving this, you are seeing that what is showing as a thumbnail is different. Don't be too lazy not to select the right thumbnail that will go viral. If you look at this video, the secret is the thumbnail. So imagine I use another part of this video as a thumbnail. I wouldn't have gotten this much views. And this one too. For example, this one that's actually going super viral is because of the thumbnail. And if you look at the thumbnail, I didn't just post what the AI gave me. I actually took it to the editing app and I edited it. I was able to add right words on the part of the video I used as the thumbnail. So if you do this, you will create very unique content, valuable content, long content, and then you're going to monetize the video. So with this strategy, all you need is to copy and paste. Get your 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. So with this strategy, anybody can blow up overnight. You just need a little work here and there. Copy, paste, tweak, and you're ready. So I don't want to hear you say, I can get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, because YouTube has made it super easy for you. And with these tips, not only will you create and grow fast, you will also monetize it. I hope you got value from this. Let me know in the comment section. See you in my next one.